G'day folks, and welcome to part 3 on my LEGO City Bulldozer break-in. So without further ado, let's get into it. So, I have finished the roof of my bank. As you can see, it opens up. But I think I made a mistake here because when I was doing the where the capsule, where the money is, I forgot to do one thing, which I'm an idiot. Like on here, like I did something wrong, which I did. So basically, I'm gonna just do like a bit of a. I know it's meant to be so I'm gonna do a quick rebuild of just doing this. So I made a mistake here which I didn't notice. So let's rebuild this part. that didn't take much long to do, because yeah, I think that was all. So yeah, this is the Prison Break part 3 now completed. So it was just one simple mistake I did. There we go. So that way, when the rubbers come and then just pull this, just sort of, I think this will just push out like that to get the safe out. But yeah, I just made a bit of a boo-boo. So I just need to add the thing there, which I need to get, which is in another bag. But yeah, just the yeah, so that's that, and this only leaves these 2 pieces that I don't think were needed. So these are the two leftover pieces, which is quite fascinating, you know. So yeah. So anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please let me know in the comment what your thoughts on this Prison Break, because it's pretty good. I don't know if I'm going to be building the vehicles to this. Sorry about that, my camera stopped recording because my SD card is full. So as the thing, this is like a full complete now. So I got like the jail part here where so criminals can get in or out. Then got the main part of the bank down here. And so let's go and put it back in my small Lego city. Here is my Lego city, sorry about the mess. And let's put it back in where I had it. And that looks a-okay. Look at it now. So doesn't that just look good? Oh, just move that over a little bit. There we go. I know it's a bit of a mess, so we'll get it to clean. So people can walk up here, walk up to the ATM, walk into the bank, got the sound camera. So yeah, that looks a-okay. So yeah, this is the rest of my city. I will do a cleanup because it's a bit of a mess at the moment. So yeah, I forgot I was ending the video, so I came back in here, we're in here, because that way you can see a full better way of it without it being in my city, you know. So I'm going to do the outro again. So anyways, if you enjoyed this video, if you did, please give it a like. Please let me know in the comments down below all your thoughts on this, because it's a quite good build. And again, as I mentioned before, I don't know if I will do the vehicles. I might do the outside recording, I don't know, but this is like the main build, you know. As always, you can follow me on Twitter, which is at the Aussie Lego Dude, and you can join the Discord server that I'm in, which is in the description down below. So I don't know when the next speed build is going to be, whether it be on the brick calendar or on my mock Lego map that I got the pieces for in my previous Lego haul, you know. So please just click the subscribe button right here or down below. Don't forget to tap the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Check out my previous speed build video right here. And as always, I'll see you all later.